Hello, scrappers! Tonight, I'm going to be scrapping this. This is a fire hose. These neat couplings it's got on it. See the little wings come out? And so this is like a detent in it. Never seen one of these up close before. It's kind of neat how these work. It's hard to work. This came out of a dumpster. See, it's got duct tape on it. And I bet this was taken out of service. I bet this is a no good hose that leaks. I bet nobody would use it anyways. It could probably be cut to where the leak was and recoupled. But it was in a dumpster, so obviously nobody's going to use this. A firefighter probably threw this in a dumpster because it probably failed their inspection. But I'm thinking about saving a length of this just because this is some really tough canvas with leather lined on it. And let's see how much she weighs. That's heavy. Imagine being a firefighter and lugging this crap up and down stairs. That's awful. That's got some weight to it. And that's a small one. That's 14 pounds. And this is a small hose. I think firefighters are crazy. Let's start with a magnet here. We got some, that's rust, so it's obviously steel. This is cast aluminum. This is steel, and this is also aluminum. I already took a punch, and I tried whaling on some of these. These are not gonna move. So I'm thinking about just cutting these ears off. I don't know, I'm gonna see. But the only way I can see getting this off is to grind. I'm gonna cut these bands. Oh, that's on there. Good. So these are hot and sharp. Let's see maybe if I can get underneath this canvas. I wonder if there's barbs on this. I imagine there would be. I'm gonna say, watch me vampire kill myself right in the heart. I'm gonna see if I can. Oh, I know. Get out the schnips. Oh, that's tough to cut. Like I said, I will be saving a length of this hose. So who knows what this could be useful for? Oh, this is old and dry rotted. A firefighter wouldn't want to risk his life with this anyways. That's probably why they took it out of service. So now maybe I can get underneath it this way instead of stabbing at myself. Times are tough now. I take scrap anywhere I can get it. So maybe I can cut into the... There you go. Once you figure out the easiest way to do it, exploit it. It's all barbed. Scrapyard's gonna call this dirty aluminum if I don't at least try to get these out. gonna just cut down into it like this. There's one side of it. That's hot. There. Now it at least looks like I tried. There's a nice little heavy hunk of cast aluminum there. And now I'm going to do the same for the other side. Only this time, we can start doing it the smart way because we already know how to do it. And this doesn't have any couplings to cut, so I can just cut these. That's what you do. You figure out the easiest way, and then you exploit it. Oh, that had a leak in it somewhere. There we go. Some cast aluminum. And I will be saving a section of this because this stuff might come in handy. But yeah, that rubber's all dry rotted. This hose was out of service. Still make a nice toe strap out of it though. So let's see how we did. These are hot, by the way. 2 3/4 pounds of cast aluminum. Look at that. You see my bucket melted too close to the wood stove. But as you can see, scrap adds up. All these little bits and pieces. I'm gonna have to start a new cast aluminum bucket. And almost half a pound of tin for the tin bucket. I notice there's no rust on these. I wonder what that's made out of. Just curious. Sparks. Some kind of stainless maybe. Oh, not too bad. A few minutes worth of work, make a few bucks. So just remember guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.